Hello, guys. I am Utkarsh, your host in this series, Discover AI, brought to you by the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Today, we will be learning about an introduction to artificial intelligence. How many of you just love the movies like Star Wars, Iron Man, and Terminator? I'm sure many of you do, as they all are just mesmerizing. Do you know one common feature between all these? It is artificial intelligence, a science field that is being actively used in the movie making industry. This is so cool, right? It is of worth diving deeper into this ocean of artificial intelligence. Starting with the basic definition first. Intelligence, which is artificially created. Intelligence is the ability to learn and solve the problems, which means that artificial intelligence is the intelligence exhibited by machines or software. Beginning with the schools of thought regarding artificial intelligence, there are majorly four of them. Human-like behavior with rational abilities brings in the systems which think humanly. This is a cognitive approach whose main requirement is to know how do the humans think. It focuses on developing machines with minds in the literal sense. Rational behavior with rational abilities brings in the systems which think rationally. This involved math and logic to do artificial intelligence. Also, the notations and rules of derivation for thoughts were used. It was encountered with many objections, like not all knowledge can be expressed with logical formulation. For example, time and space. Human-like behavior with acting abilities brings in the systems which act humanly. It was put forward by Alan Turing and focuses on the note that we want the machines that do things just like the humans. Rational behavior with acting abilities brings in the systems which act rationally. The main note was to design intelligent systems that act to maximize the goals. We wanted to devise rational agents in this. This school of thought is widely used to date. This was all for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot to go with ahead. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.